the X1 credit card, the credit card that's here to change up the entire credit card industry. I got it. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. You guys already know what this is about. It's about that X1 credit card, and yes, you heard right. I got the X1 credit card. It should be delivered to me very soon. Huge shout out to Shrey Young for providing me with an invite code so I can pretty much skip the entire list, because at that point in the list I was around 60,000 on that wait list. So definitely huge shout out to bro. Make sure you guys let him know down in the comment section thank you, because if he didn't provide me with an invite code to actually get on that list to pretty much skip the line, then of course this video would not be made for you guys today. So thank you to Shrey Young. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I thank you. We'll be in contact. Regardless, let's not waste any more time. Let's talk about the X1 credit card, the application process, what the card actually offers to you, and all that good stuff, as well as the X1 app. We'll go over all that in this video, so sit tight. And also, if you want to actually skip the line as well and get the X1 credit card, make sure you watch this video all the way through. I have 3 codes. They only give me 3 off the rip. So I have 3 codes. I'll be dropping that randomly in this video. So make sure you guys watch the full video and you can grab yourself the X1 credit card as well, or at least apply for it. So either way, let's get started. Let's go. Before we jump in, if you guys don't know who I am or the content I make on YouTube, I pretty much make personal finance content. So that means saving money, investing money, budgeting, credit cards. We're talking about a credit card in today's video. So there you guys go. Anything relating to money. Sometimes here and there, I'll sprinkle a review or something like that as well. So if you're interested in stuff like that, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you hit the like if you like the video, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like it, and check out those links down below, because those links down below will get you tons of free stuff when it comes to the stock market, cryptocurrency, and free money back on gas, because gas prices, at least where I live at, is $3.50 a gallon right now, and I hate it. So yeah, the X1 credit card, or the smartest credit card ever made, is 17 grams of pure stainless steel. You get 2 to 4 times back on every single purchase. Overall, they guarantee up to 5 times higher credit limits, and this is all with a no annual fee. The X1 credit card actually does things a little bit different than normal credit cards, where you would actually get approved or denied based on your credit score. With the X1 card, they'll still do a soft pull on your credit, so it does not impact your credit score, but overall they're basing your credit eligibility as well as your credit limit on your actual income. So this is pretty much based on income versus being based on a credit score, which is the normal system of how we pretty much get almost all our credit cards. If you have a trash credit score, then you might not get most credit cards. If you have a really good credit score, then you'll probably get most credit cards. I made a video talking about this credit card back in September of 2020, and the card was supposed to release in the winter of 2020, but now we're in the winter of 2021 and it's finally out for some people, not everybody just yet, because I'm pretty sure that wait list is pretty long. But regardless, we're going to go here. We're going to check out the application process. Obviously, I've already did it. I'm already approved for the card, but I'm going to show you guys. I recorded the entire application process, so I'm going to show you as much as I can show you without showing you my personal information, obviously. So let's go ahead and do that right here, right now. So pretty much when you go ahead and get an invite code, or you use my invite code, which will be randomly in this video, it'll take you to this application page where you can go ahead and put your name, your phone number, as well as your date of birth. After you do that, you're going to go ahead and click continue, and I'll scroll forward. Well, after you do that, it'll send you a verification code to your cell phone number, which you can then type in, so you can just pretty much verify that it's you. Then after that, you'll go ahead and put in your street address. This is obviously for verification reasons. Like every other credit card application, all this stuff is pretty basic, and all these cards ask for stuff like this. After that, though, it'll go ahead and ask for your social security number. Also very basic. Pretty much all credit cards ask for this. They have to do a hard pull or a soft pull on your credit to see if you're actually eligible to receive a credit card or any other type of loan that you may need. Past the social security number, though, you'll go ahead and put in your annual income. I know some people tend to fluff their annual income when it comes to credit card applications, and some companies let you get away with it, like Chase and stuff like that. Not really sure about American Express, but regardless, I would say not to fluff it, only because they actually are going to verify your actual income, because they're going to connect your bank. You have to connect a bank account to your credit card, and they're going to pull all your information from your bank account. We don't know how this whole process works fully, but you do have to connect a bank account. So I would say don't try to fluff it. If you do fluff it, I would say at most $5,000 more than what you would make in a single year. But yeah, Past that though, after you put your income in, they're going to ask for a full-blown summary. Overall, just verifying all the information you typed in, and then you're going to go ahead and click confirm. Once you click confirm, they'll let you know if you're qualified or not. I'm assuming I was qualified, and then you're going to go in and verify your income by connecting one of your bank accounts or your main bank account, whichever bank account you use, your paychecks and stuff go to. That's the bank account you're going to run with when you go ahead and set up this application and whatnot, and do what you got to do. You'll then again verify your identity, and then you'll wait on the X1 bank to go ahead and connect to your bank so they can do all the confirmation details in the background. We don't exactly know how this process works, as I mentioned before. Pretty much, are they scanning every single transaction, seeing what's incoming, outgoing, to figure out if I'm lying or telling the truth about my income? I have no idea. It takes up to about a minute, as it says. It took a little bit longer for me. I'm just going to fast forward it a little bit on my thing. And then once I was done, it says still waiting, sorry about this, we're fast but it can be slow. I get the little check mark. The check mark pops up, and then it gives you the congratulations if you are approved, and I was approved for $22,000, and your credit limit will increase over time. After that, I would go ahead and hit continue, and pretty much this gives you the full summary of my X1 credit card: a $22,000 limit, 16.75 APR, and a $0 annual fee, because we don't like annual fees around here. On top of that, you're going to confirm your shipping address so they can ship you the physical card, while you can still use the digital one on your Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, whatever you have as well, which is great, of course. So you can use it right away as soon as you get approved. After that, you can go ahead and download the X1 app, which is pretty much where we're going to go to right now. I haven't really seen the X1 app too much, so this will be interesting to go over everything in the app. And yeah, let's do it. But remember to sit tight, because that code is coming, and that code allows you to skip all the way to the front of the line and get yourself an application for the X1 credit card today. So pretty much the first people watching this, you got first picks. Thank you very much for being a subscriber. Either way, let's open up the X1 app. I've only been in this app a couple of times, and this is pretty much what you see. This is pretty much what you'll see when you open up the app. It says your X1 credit card is being manufactured, and it'll be delivered by Friday, November 26th, which is pretty much that's Black Friday, right? I believe so. So you can see at the top, I have a $0 balance because I have not used the card yet. You scroll over, I have a $22,000 limit, as we talked about before, and available $22,000 because I haven't spent anything on the card yet. If we go on over to the top left, we can see we got payments, documents, profile, settings, support, give feedback, and invite a friend. I'm going to click on that invite a friend link, and when that pops up, the code will be there. Not just yet, but I'll be coming right back to it. Past that though, we're going to go ahead and click on payments. So this is pretty much where you can set up auto pay. I do have auto pay set up, and you do get extra points if you have auto pay set up. If you can do it every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. And I believe the way it works is the more you have, or like I said, the more frequent it is, the higher amount of extra points you get for having auto pay set up. So if you have it set up every week, you'll get more points versus having it set up every single month. So I have it set up every 2 weeks because I get paid every 2 weeks. And you guys know me, for all my credit cards, I have, I think, 8 credit cards now. For all my credit cards, you guys know, we don't pay any interest around here. We pay the card off in full every single month. That's the only way you should be using them. That's the only way you can get that maximum cash back and all that kind of good stuff. Past that though, documents. Don't need documents right now. It's pretty much where you check your statements. Profile, just show you your personal information. Settings, we can go ahead and in the settings, you can lock the card or turn on notifications for transactions or turn them off. In support, obviously you will need that to go to support. Give feedback, simple enough. You go ahead and click on that to give them, the X1 team, some feedback. Overall though, let's go back onto the main page. I can also click right here where it says set up your X1 card, where it says activate a boost. If I click on that, it pretty much shows me where I can go ahead and activate all the different types of boosts that they have. So they have a 5 times or 5% back when you use the card with Apple Pay on your next purchase. They have all these other ones like 5% back on next grocery purchase, delivery purchase, Amazon order, Uber, Lyft, all that kind of good stuff. 4 times points back for the 30 days for every friend that you invite. So great stuff there. So every friend you invite, you're going to get 4% back on all your purchases for 30 days. That's absolutely amazing, and we'll go over that in more detail in a second. You'll earn 3% back on every single purchase as long as you spend $15,000 in a single year. I definitely do that. This is going to be my go-to credit card for the time being, so I'll definitely reach that $15,000 spend limit in a single year, and you'll earn 2% back on everything else. So definitely a solid credit card. I'm telling you guys, this is pretty great. Below that, you can actually redeem your points for rewards at these participating retailers if you want to do that, or you can actually get cash back, and the cash back will be worth 0.7 cents, or you can go ahead and redeem it, and pretty much every point is worth 1 cent, which is really great. Every point is worth 1 cent if you redeem it with one of these merchants, and you can go ahead and click in and see all the merchants they have as well. So cool stuff there if you want to redeem the points for that. I already have 150 points, so that pretty much means 150 cents, which is $1.50, because I'm terrible at math. I hope it's $1.50. I'm not crazy. And that's that when it comes to it. Past that though, if you go on over to the cards tab, I think this is actually a pretty great feature. The cards tab actually allows you to make virtual cards. You already have an X1 credit card. It pretty much allows you to make virtual cards. I think personally the only time use I see this for is when I actually go and sign up for maybe a Netflix account or something like that, maybe a HBO Max account. Pretty much you can have the card pretty much self-destruct after you use it one time. So if you want to go ahead and if you that type of person where you need a Netflix account and you want to make 3,000 emails and you never pay for Netflix because you change the email every month. I don't know who you are. I don't have the time. I don't have the time or the patience to do that. But if you are that person that does that, this card makes it super easy for you to do that. It allows you to go ahead and make a single use card. Once that first transaction is done, it'll automatically self-destruct. It'll cancel the card out. So you don't have to worry about being double charged, triple charged, or forgetting that you actually signed up for one of these accounts or whatnot. So I think that's pretty cool. I probably won't use it that much personally because I don't do that, but I'll find a reason to use it one of these days. But it is an option for you to have, and I think it's pretty cool, like I said before. And on over to the shop tab simply allows you to go ahead and earn even more points when you buy with the X1 credit card at these participating retailers. So Lululemon, Nordstrom Rack, you're gonna get 10% cash back when you go and shop there. Algo 10% back, or Bloomingdale's 5% back. Well, Bed Bath & Beyond 5% back. This is pretty normal when it comes to most credit cards and other little rewards programs. They usually offer a decent amount of cash back when it comes to actually buying with one of their partners, or so to speak. So there you guys go if you're interested in stuff like that. And they have it in list form as well. So yeah, pretty cool. Past that though, that's pretty much it as far as the card goes. I could show the details, but if I do, it's just the card information, and it's no reason to show the card information. Like I said, pretty transparent on this channel, but I can't give you guys my credit card number. Like, I'm not that rich. I'm not that rich. I'm a cool guy. I'm not that rich. Either way, when it comes to this $22,000 limit, this is actually the highest limit as far as any of my credit cards go. The next highest limit I have for my credit card is $10,200, and that's with my Barclay credit card. It was the Uber credit card, but now they've moved on over. Now it's the Barclay credit card. If you're interested, definitely check out the links down below. And yeah, that's pretty much that is when it comes to the X1 credit card. Like I said before, it's a pretty cool app. It's pretty simple. I haven't used the card just yet. I plan on using it today, but you guys already know we're here for the actual code. So let's go ahead and click on that. It is right here. So this code, basically the first 3 people that use it will go ahead and get the ability to skip the line and apply for the X1 credit card today. Forgot I missed out on that part. I meant to actually show this randomly, not at the end of the video, but I'm sorry about that. Either way, I'm going to reach out to them and see if I can actually get more codes or more uses, because, 3 is cool, but if I can get, if I can push you guys all to the front, or all the people that's actually interested in getting this card to the front of the line, then that'd be great as well. So if you guys want to sign up, there you guys go, right there. Great credit card. They don't even pull your credit score. They do a soft pull, but they don't do a hard pull, so it doesn't even impact your credit score. This is just great. Like I said, this is the future. I'm hoping we'll see how other credit card companies react to something like this. If this actually works out long term, we'll find out. I'll be using the card pretty much every single day. This is my new daily, so yeah. I'm pretty excited. Like I said before, I'm gonna see if I can get more codes from them, and that'll be that when it comes to the X1 credit card. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. If we go on over here, let's see what this is. I think it's notifications, but I don't have any because I didn't use the card yet. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the X1 credit card, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be making more videos going over the X1 credit card if anything pops off in the near future, or just in the future in general. And that's pretty much it as far as the credit card goes. So thank you guys as always for watching. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and those links down below will get you tons of free stocks, cryptocurrency, credit card bonus points, rewards like money back and gas, all that kind of good stuff. If you want to support the channel even further, Patreon is an option. It's completely up to you. Just saying, just tossing that out there if you want to. There you guys go. And I think that is it. I have way more content coming. I already just made another crypto video talking about a nice investment thing that you can do as far as crypto goes. I'll be making some metaverse videos, some stock videos, dividend videos. You guys know the deal. If you're a new subscriber, then you don't know, but if you're returning, you guys know. I try to pump out as much content as I can. This isn't my full-time job. I really wish it was, but there you guys go. That's all I got for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Stay hydrated. Stay safe. Dollar Mike. Peace.